Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session, now I would like to give the assignment solutions for the course Cloud Computing 2023. So this is the week 1, assignment 1 solutions. We see the question and answers one by one here. A distributed system is preferred when the task is data intensive and compute. Number 2, it is computing intensive. The answer is only 2, that is computer intensive. So option B is the correct answer for this. And the grid is a grid in a distributed grid computing paradigm links together power plants of different kinds. The statement is true or false. This is actually false. Now coming to the question number 3, which of the following are advantages of cloud computing? Number 1, resource pooling. Number 2, on-demand payment policy. So option A and D are the correct options for this. Now coming to the question number 4, the distributed system ensures robustness of performance. The answer is true. Okay. Question number 4. What are the characteristics of cluster computing? Parallel computing, fastest network than a typical LAN, low latency communication protocols. All these are the 3 answers for this question number 5. Coming to the question number 6. Web access to commercial software is one of the SAS characteristics in the cloud computing paradigm. The answer is true. Now, examples of PaaS, platform as a service tools, are Microsoft Azure, Google App Engine. These two are the most essential tools. Coming to the question number 8. IaaS infrastructure service in cloud computing delivers storage. Number 2, servers. So the option is both A and B, both storage and as well as the servers. Okay. Next, IaaS infrastructure as a service is the best option where regulatory compliance makes the offshoring and outsourcing data storage and processing difficult. So this is true or false? This statement is false actually. So false was selected here. So what is the main requirement of cloud service provider? So what is the main requirement here is number 1, increase agility, and number C, increase productivity. These two are interlinked, so these two options can be selected. So like this, these are the week 1 assignments for the cloud computing. So if at all anybody didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, Intelligible Tutorials. Thank you, one and all.